Hello. Okay, so to make your Gold Rush payment, you have multiple options. You have crypto, Zelle, PayPal, debit card, credit card upon request, or if you need help choosing, choose this option. If you're going to choose crypto, just choose crypto, and then if you come down, you'll see you can pick your license. So pick which license you want, and then you can send your crypto payment through USTD Ethereum network only or through Bitcoin. If you need another crypto address, then you have to reach out to your sponsor or support if you need another crypto coin. And then once you submit the payment, send us upload your screenshot here, and then go ahead and finish with the rest of the instructions and submit the form. Same thing with Zelle. If you pick Zelle, click Zelle, pick your license. The Zelle information is here. Upload your proof here of a payment, and then go ahead and continue with the rest of the setup. If you need to use PayPal, debit card, or credit card, then you have to request it from support or your sponsor. So then that's that. And then once you make your payment, then go ahead and continue to the next step, which is creating a broker account and getting everything set up. Thank you.